Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to e-learning English grammar, chapter 2, parts of a sentence. So today we'll study what are the parts of a sentence. It has two parts. First, subject. Second, predicate. So there are two parts of a sentence. One is subject and the other one is the predicate. Let's see what is a subject. A subject tells us who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells us something about the subject. Now let's have a look at few examples. The cricketers played well. So there's a trick to find out what is the subject. First, find out the verb. What is the verb here? What is the action which is being done? Played. So then ask this question. Who played? The cricketers, which becomes the subject, and played well becomes the predicate. Similarly, babies cry. Let's use the same trick. What is the verb? Cry. Ask the question. Who cry? Babies. So babies will be the subject and cry becomes the predicate. Next, my sister's best friend came to the party. What is the verb? Came. Who came? My sister's best friend, which becomes a subject, and came to the party becomes the predicate. There's one thing to remember here. The predicate always includes the verb. Let's look at the example. The boys are studious. So the boys is the subject, are studious is the predicate, and are, which is the verb, is always the part of the predicate. Now let's have a look at this exercise from your book. Exercise A. Circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the following sentences. Let me do few for you. First, the bird is flying. So as I've told you, use the trick here. What is the verb? Is flying. Then ask the question. Who is flying? The bird. So the bird is being circled, which is the subject, and is flying becomes the predicate. Next, Ram is an intelligent student. What is the verb here? Is. So who is? Ram is. Ram becomes the subject and is an intelligent student becomes the predicate. Now the next thing to remember here is that in commands, the subject is not mentioned but implied. Let's see. Go there. If I give you a command, go there, I am asking you to go there. So it means you go there. So what is the subject? You, and go there becomes the predicate. So here you is the subject which is implied. You also have to remember that in questions, the subject usually comes after the predicate. How are you? So how are is the predicate and you is the subject here. Let's see the next exercise B. Circle the subjects and underline the predicates in the following sentences. First, sit on that chair. So what kind of sentence is this? Command. I am asking you to sit on that chair. So here, as we have studied earlier, you will be the subject which is implied and sit on that chair will be the predicate. Next, how are you? So here you will be the subject and how are will be the predicate. Similarly, you will have to do the rest. Let's see the exercise C. Fill in the blanks with suitable subjects or predicate. So here a sentence is given to you and you have to fill the subject or the predicate depending on the sentence. For example, first, the girl is reading a book. Second, the sun is rising. In the similar manner, you have to fill the rest of the blanks. I hope you have understood this chapter, the subject and the predicate, which are the parts of the sentence. Thank you.